So most of you are probably thinking, dude, it's raining outside. What is he doing? But I've actually been waiting for this. So the last time it rained for like 3 days straight, I was looking forward because right back there, it's a small little channel. I've been trying to figure out how far I can actually get up it. And like I said, last time I tried doing this, my paddle broke. And then I couldn't find the paddles. And then I realized the paddles were in the boat. Birds that just got up. Ah, found you. That took a little bit of time. Sorry about that. Hopefully everything's still working. Can you see good? Probably not. Alright, so yeah, excuse this. Yeah. So that's the channel I was going down. I can keep following it, but it's really shallow. So now I'm just gonna try and cut across that way somewhere. Should be the main channel, and we'll go from there. All right, so we made it up to this point. Right there is bridge underneath the freeway. So last time I went down it, there was a bee's nest and a whole bunch of cobwebs, and I don't screw around with spiders. I gave it a shot. One, the tunnel is just big enough for the paddles to get through, and it's a struggle. As soon as it shifts one direction, I'm just slapping the walls. But I had to turn around. One, I ran out of juice. That's for sure. And second, if I would have actually made it any further, the front of the actual kayak was dipping down. If for some reason I would have went sideways, it probably would have flipped me over. And I don't feel like swimming today. It's not that deep, but who knows if I were to get snagged on anything inside that tunnel, it would have just been a nightmare. Risk isn't worth the reward. I was gonna go up, walk around the side, go up and over, but there's 4 lanes of traffic up there, and I really don't feel like dealing with it. If you guys like these videos, just let me know. I'm gonna keep pushing them out. Just let me know what you're more interested in. Is it the adventure? I guess we're just gonna spin around real quick. I'm stuck in this little eddy, so I keep going around in circles. I think I finally got kicked out of it though. So yeah, just let me know what you like or dislike about the videos. If you want to hear me talk less, if you want to hear me potentially talk more, just let me know. We'll probably start getting up into the mountains now that it's cooling off here. Do some adventures in the mountains. It looks like towards, I think I'm looking at buying a drone during Black Friday, so I'll start getting some drone footage of the actual boat, whatever other adventures I'm working on. Going next, go through the big tunnel underneath the highway, and we'll start working our way back. It should go quicker than it was up here. I'm probably gonna have nightmares about that tunnel. It is a lot longer than it looks looking down it, but when you actually go through it, especially when you're going upstream, that thing just goes on forever.